Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit your business info that's shown on invoices in Hostinger website builder. This is the before or the default invoice, and this is how it will look like later. This is the before, no logo. This is the new logo, and same thing for the company name, address, PO box, the state, phone number, and so on. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and click on Websites. Now, next to your website, click on Manage Store. This way, you will go straight to the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to change, how to edit, now to edit the business info on invoices, it's simple. But before this, let's see the current, or let's generate an invoice to check the current business info that is shown. So I will go to orders, open this order, for example, create invoice. Yes, create invoice. They are now creating one for me, and let's open it. This is my current invoice. Let's keep it open. Now to edit the business info that are shown here in this invoice, it's simple. Just go to settings, click on company information, and here you can set up your new business info. You can edit your name and logo. By name, I mean the company name. You can also edit the contacts and address like email address, phone number, state address, city, state, and so on. Okay, now let's start with the company name. Let's call it, for example, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Okay, now let's start with the company name. Let's call it, for example, company new name Ltd, for example. Here, let's upload a logo. For the logo, let's use this image, double click it, and it will be uploaded here. Now, for the contact and address, let's use the same email address. For the phone number, I will go, for example, with 11111. For the street address, let's go with this is my company. Okay, this is my company street address. City, let's go with Vilnius. For the state, Arizona, zip code 599, and hit save. To change your country, I don't think this is possible from here, but I think it is possible from the payments page. Yes, as you see, business location. To change your business location, first disconnect all payments. So this means that I need to disconnect any payment like this manual payment to be able to edit the business location from here or from this company information page. Now let's generate a new invoice and see if the company business info will change. Let's open create another product, create invoice. Wait a moment, and let's check the second info. And this is now this is the before, no company logo. Now the company logo is shown. Same thing from the company name, company new name Ltd. This is the business address. state, city, uh, PO box or box code, the country, email, and the phone number. And this is to part. And this is how to update or change or edit your business info that are shown in invoices in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.